Makadini Murisei, welcome back to Shona Land. Today I'll be taking you through letter N and combining it with the Shona vowels. As a recap, the Shona alphabet consists of consonants and vowels are the letters that determine how you pronounce all Shona words. And this is how you pronounce the Shona vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so today we'll be taking you through letter N and combining it with the Shona vowels, and I'll be teaching you how to pronounce it. So when we combine letter N with the vowel A, it's na. 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 When we combine letter N with the vowel E, it's ne. 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 When you combine letter N with the vowel E, it's ni. 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 When you combine it with the vowel O, it's no. 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 When you combine it with the vowel U, it's nu. 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 So we've got na, ne, ni, no, nu. Okay. So giving you example Shona words, so that you can properly learn how to pronounce it. For na, we've got namo. 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 That's glue in English. Namo. For ne, we've got neta. 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 That's tire. To be tired in English. Ni, we've got ninipa. Ninipa. Humble. That's like to humble yourself. Humble. Ninipa. For no, we've got nonoka. Nonoka. That's late. Being late. Nu, we've got nungu. Nungu. That's being lazy. Laziness. Lazy. So na, namo. Ne, neta. Ni, ninipa. No, nonoka. Nu, nungu. This brings us to the end of this video. Please don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe to our channel. On the next video, we'll be taking you through letter P, so be on the lookout for it. See you in the next video.